Consumer Cellular EasyPay is a financing plan that lets you buy phones and accessories by paying in installments. Think of it as a way to spread the cost of a new device over time, making it easier on your budget. You can finance up to $1,000, and repayment periods can stretch up to 36 months. A key perk is the potential for interest-free financing for the first year, assuming you make your payments on time. After that, interest can accrue, typically between 12 to 24% APR. This plan is designed for budget-conscious consumers and even seniors, offering a more accessible way to obtain mobile devices like iPhones and Samsung Galaxy models without paying the full price upfront. Remember that EasyPay requires an active Consumer Cellular service agreement. To qualify for EasyPay, Consumer Cellular performs a soft credit check. This doesn't affect your credit score, unlike hard inquiries. Approval typically requires a credit score between 550 and 600, along with stable income and no recent bankruptcies. If you're denied, you may be able to appeal with a cosigner, which can help secure approval. Make sure to understand the terms. Late fees range from $10 to $20 per month. You can pay off early without penalties. The plan is tied to your Consumer Cellular service, so canceling mid-financing may incur early termination fees. It's like a rent-to-own plan for telecom, blending mobile service with retail credit to make devices accessible.